guys, Charlani here. Thank you so much for tuning into Charlani TV. In today's video, I am going to do a quick gym cleanup, and then I will give you a tour of our home gym and just kind of show you the different areas and how I feel like I've given my gym a homey feel with it still being functional. But we've got to get some things picked up, some things moved around, things put back where they belong. We've got weights left on the floor. I need to clean our floors. We left our yoga mats out. Rob and I were pretty spent last time we got our workout in here. So I'm just gonna pop in here and start putting things back where they belong, and then I'll be able to give it a good cleanup. Rob and I usually do a pretty good job of cleaning up after ourselves in here before we leave the gym to go start our day, but I don't know what happened in here this day, so I'd come back up and just picked everything up, kind of put things back where they belong. I knew that if I at least did this the night before, that getting up and starting to clean would be just that much easier. So the next morning before I started cleaning, I decided I wanted to get a steam mop. I thought it would just be a really great way to clean our gym floors rather than just using the spin mop that I have for downstairs. And if you didn't see my video before, I actually bought a steamer and I used it to clean our super grody and disgusting garbage cans, and I was shocked at how well it worked. So I just thought, let's just try it. I've been wanting one of these for a really long time, so I thought this would be a good time to do it. It was really easy to put together, and I love that it came with 2 of those mop heads, so that was super cool. So last night I came in and just kind of picked everything up. We had the mats out last night, and today, now that there is sunlight, I am going to come in, I'm gonna get some dusting done. We're gonna steam mop these floors. They really, really need it. And I'm just gonna get everything kind of prepped up and ready for us so that we can get our workout done later today. So you can see, like, this needs to be just things straightened up a bit, put back where they belong. We definitely need to get some dusting done. We don't really use this area because this is just like the extra catch-all, but come in there and wipe down that countertop. We could just see that it's just dusty in here. These shoes that I'm actually wearing right now, my favorites, so went and bought more. Got them at Costco. They're like 25 bucks. Can't beat that. But we're gonna come in, just gonna get some dusting done here on all of these shelves. It has been a hot minute. Okay, it's steaming. So I'm assuming that means it's ready to go. Okay, let's do this. and welcome to our clean gym. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. Definitely something that should have been done probably weeks ago, but the floors are nice and clean. Absolutely love that Steam Mop. We wiped down all of the weights, got everything dusted off. I did like just a clean swipe over of our mirrors, so those are all nice and clean. I had some words written on there, so I went ahead and I took those off, but everything is nice and wiped down. When I was going for the look of our gym, my deal was I wanted it to be pretty. And weights are not exactly pretty, but I went ahead and I got these off of Amazon. They're just bookcases that roll. So it was, if you saw when I was doing the floors, I'm able to just roll them out. You do have to be careful because they're not super sturdy, but they're sturdy enough. But absolutely love the way that these look. I have to use these dumbbell weights. These are Rob's. He's the one who uses the Bowflex. For me, they just feel a little bit too big and bulky. So this is kind of Rob's area. We do have a treadmill. We also have this elliptical machine. And here's the deal. The treadmill, I don't even want up here because nobody uses it. And it's basically a holder for my step, which is really convenient because when I'm working out here, this is my spot, but when I'm working out right here, I can sit there and it's like a perfect height for me when I'm not using the step. So I just kind of use it as a chair. But yeah, we don't really use that treadmill anymore because like I said before, I actually use this library of workout programs and I choose my program from there. So it's like having a trainer every single day. It's amazing. So this elliptical, we actually don't use that often. Every once in a while, we'll hop onto it. But for the most part, we don't really use the elliptical machine. It just kind of is the holder for our core balls, which by the way, these little suckers, oh my gosh, all the core work. But like I said, I like pretty. My sister got me this picture right here, which is one of my absolute favorite things and so perfect for this gym, and goes with this picture right here. So I love this area. We got the bookcase at IKEA and I just filled it with some of my very favorite things. Definitely gonna need to get more towels in here. But yeah, this is our gym. We've got the weight bench here. We've got the mini spin bike. And then this right here is actually where I come in and do meditation. So I've got my yoga pillow here. I can come in and I can light a candle. But this is definitely one of my favorite areas in here as well. So, and then we've got this on the other side here is what used to be my daughter's room, and this is the extra Jack and Jill bathroom. So I just put my shoes in here for now. And this is just simple, not much in here, but it's nice and clean now too. And then just our extra bands, things like that. My coach got me a big, huge flag for my team, Team Live Life Happy. I wanna hang this up. It's really, really big. I wanna hang this up. I'm just not exactly sure where. I'm thinking maybe up here, but I was also thinking that I might do a project of all of my client before and afters up there. But I'm not sure because I'm actually thinking it would be fun to use this area up here for all of our before and afters. So I'm thinking maybe this is gonna be a really good place for that flag, but we'll see. We'll see. We've got my daughter's trophies, all of her dance trophies up there. And what's kind of cool is that this before Kaylee had moved out. So I had made it a gym years ago, and when Kaylee started dancing, well, she's always danced, but this kind of morphed into her dance studio. And then In high school, she started doing hair out of this room. So it was never a gym. I actually worked out downstairs, which for many years worked. So when she moved out a few months ago, I reclaimed this room, and Rob and I absolutely love it. So we hop up here every single morning. He does his workout right here. The current program that I am doing uses these tracks. And I will tell you what, these tracks are amazing. And you can either put them on a door frame, or you can attach them to your wall like we did right here. Complete total body workout. It's so cool. And Rob loved this so much that he would have to wait for me to finish using it before he could, so we went ahead and just bought him his own, and his is a little higher because he's a little bit taller than me. So he has his own track right here, so we can definitely work out together, because like I said, full body workout with that for sure. But this is our gym and we love it, and I love that it is a freaking clean. Super happy with that Steam Mop. I think I'm gonna go mop our downstairs as well. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed to Charlani TV, I would love it if you did. Bye guys.